Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So welcome to Testbook Regulatory Bodies. So guys, in this particular video, we are going to talk around the SEBI Grade A 2025 expected exam date for phase 1 and phase 2. Okay, and this analysis is generally based on your previous year 2024 examination. So when it comes to SEBI examination, if you'll go through the last 2-3 sessions of grade A examination, so usually they generally provide for phase 1, it is 40 to 45 days from the date of notification, and for phase 2 it is almost 1 month. Okay, now when it comes to 2025, तो इस बार का like we that notification itself divided between two part. One is आपका they come up with the आपका short notification where they talk around the number of vacancies or the eligibility criterias and other things that we have already covered in our previous session. Now when it comes to the expected exam date, ठीक है, so what I'm expecting कि like they say इस बार आपका you already know about the things and all, and that get the things or the all the information which is pre-notified by the SEBI itself. So 30th is the date, 30th October, when they'll come up with the detailed notification, and you can expect around आपका 35 to 40 days for your phase 1. That means when it comes to phase 1, so it will be around आपका 5 to like in between 5th to or the first week of we can say December. So you can expect the phase 1 examination, and for phase 2 similarly आपका by adding 1 month, it is around first week of January itself, right? Now these date, the calculation of these particular date is very important one. Okay, so like as you can see in the previous years also, for 2024 itself, so the date of notification was 30th June. Okay, then they conducted the exam, sorry, not this one, huh? So this is the one. Okay, July 27 was the paper, then August आपका, ठीक है. So now the importance of date is like you can accordingly plan your curriculum. So suppose that if you are willingly preparing for this particular examination, or if you have given your RB grade B 25 phase 1 already, okay, and by any chance if you miss this particular time, this time GA was bit tricky, ठीक है, तो कहीं ना कहीं अगर आपको लगता है after the calculation and all you'll get to know, ठीक है, so you can start preparing for this particular examination. Here you have to additionally prepare आपका few subject like costing and accounting, your company law, and we have the other areas like the overall current affairs related things and others, because current affairs influence is less compared to the static one, and you have to prepare for the phase 2 things, phase 2 paper 2, if you prepare for this particular one, and this you have to prepare within a limit of aapka next 40-50 days. So accordingly, like let's plan ki you have 1 month in your hand, so within 1 month you have to complete all these particular areas and paper 2 of phase 1. And paper 1, you believe me, if you are preparing for other examination, you are already prepared for that particular exam. So overall you have 60 days, but in that 60 days there is no distinction aapka for phase 2. The reason aapka now you have 30 days only to prepare your paper 2. So you have to prepare so well. You have to focus on commerce and accountancy, costing, or company law, because these will be the completely new subject. Just focus on these particular subject in remaining days, and the remaining one, the remaining subject aapka paper 1 subject, you can drive through the practice portion in others, so that will help you in this particular case. So that is the strategy which usually we follow for this kind of examination. And if you want to prepare this kind of things live, like sometime what happened, you won't be able to design your schedule or aapka collect those resources and all. So for that one, you can also access to our batches also. So if you are already part of this one, so we will be starting our classes from Monday onwards. So Monday onwards, we'll be starting with the commerce and accountancy first, then costing, then management, and simultaneously you'll get classes for company law and the other subject also. Okay? So if you are part of this particular one, or else dedicated batch is also there, SEBI Grade A crash course. So all the classes aapka specially for the additional subject like commerce, accountancy, company law, costing, these will be doing live itself. So where you can ask your queries, you can interact with aapka subject matter experts and all. And if you want some sort of guidance also, so you can connect with us. All right. So, and you can also watch the classes on the master classes section. These are all other free classes where we are doing unit wise practices and all. They'll also help you in this particular preparation journey. All right, guys. So, wish you all the very best for your preparation. I'll see you in the classes from Monday onwards, where we will be starting with commerce and accountancy. All right. So, this is it. Bye bye. Take care, all, and wish you all the very best. Prepare well. Thank you.